If you are wondering if you can lock apps on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find the apps section. Select it, then as you can see right here, we can find the app lock, and if we click on it and turn it on, that way we'll be able to set up our password for the app lock, which would confirm that this device does have the app lock, and you can just select apps that you want to lock, and then they will, if somebody tries to access those apps, they will need to provide that password. So let's wait a moment just to show you that this function actually works. So use the app lock, cancel. Okay, and now if we go to, for example, open a YouTube or actually even gallery, it will ask me for a password to enter it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.